Hi ladies and gentlemen, today I'm going to show you how to download Ubuntu for your desktop or your netbook or laptop. I'm going to open up a web page right now and I'm going to show you why Ubuntu is better than Windows 7. Now you type in www.ubuntu and there you go. You go down to Ubuntu homepage. It's an operating system by Linux that can be used on a PC. We're going to download an image file of the operating system called the .iso. Now I'm going to get Ubuntu. Then you go to, this is the web page right here, and then download, and then start download right here. This is a 32-bit version. Yes, I want to save the operating system, and I'll put it into my downloads right here. Actually, yeah, I'll save it in, downloads right here. Perfect. Then I save. This says 15 minutes, but depending on the strength of my internet connection, it should go pretty quick. I'll come back to you when I finish downloading the operating system, and I'll show you how to download a software to burn it onto a CD or a disk, a 700 megabyte CD disk, and make it into a bootable UDF disk so that way you can use it on a PC. Okay? I'll be back shortly. Okay, now that the download is complete, you go to open folder. Before I do, I just want to show you that it's a 685 megabyte file, image file, 15 megabytes shy of a 700 megabyte disk. Now you just open folder. It's in my downloads, Ubuntu 11.04 desktop. Now I'll show you how to get the software to burn it onto a disk. I X out of here, X out of here, X out of this page, open up another web browser. Now we're going to go to a site called CNET downloads. Type in CNET and go to downloads, highlight downloads, and now go to free software downloads and software review, cnetdownloads.com. Then go into the site, go to the search up here, highlight that, and in the search bar you type in .iso spacebar converter, converter. .iso converter. We're looking for a software called Ultra ISO. It's pretty damn good. I use it all the time. And then you just scroll down, and this is what it looks like right here. This is the software, and it has good ratings on it. You go to the download right here. You download. At the top of the taskbar, it'll light up. You just right click on this download file, and then you can save it or run it. I'm gonna run it because I don't have it on my machine yet, but you run the software, boom, and just run it from there. Now this software, okay, yes, press yes, not a problem, press next, and then you can X out of the page after this. At this point, actually, press I accept, press next, next, next. All these things right here, you can leave them. It's okay. If you hear things in the background, people talking, there's not much I could do because I'm at work right now. Almost time for me to go home anyway. And you just press install. Then you press finish. Now you have a desktop icon right here. You hit Alt, you hit this, and then you press continue to try, because this is a trial actually. I'm gonna pop a disk in my machine, and I'm gonna show you the process how it burns right now. You can't actually see me putting a disk in, but it's a 700 megabyte disk. And you press continue. Now the software is gonna come on. I'm just waiting for it. I just put the disk in at the same time. Alright, I'm gonna X out of this because I just put my disk in the machine. Now you go to folders, open folder, then you go to your downloads in your Windows 7, and here's the operating system. It takes on the same appearance as the software, the image file, the .iso, as you can see. And now you just highlight that, press open, then you go over here. It says burn CD DVD image. That's all you have to do. And it's 97% out of 703 megabytes and 18 megabytes free space, so it fits perfect. It's about the equivalent amount of space as Windows XP on the disk. Now you just press burn. It already found the drive. I'm doing this on my laptop actually. And you just burn the image onto the disk. Now you read it, it says burn an image and disk at once. Set an optimum power calibration, caching of files started, caching of files completed, and lead in, finish lead in, and burn process started, speed at 24 times, blah blah blah, right here. Now it's going to start burning the image right now. As you can see, it's already started over here. It'll take about 6 minutes to burn the operating system onto a disk. But at this time, I'll come back and I'll show you on the Dirt segment how to install Ubuntu alongside of your Windows 7. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, now I'm back. Now we're just going to X out of the software. You just press close. Close out of here. Close out of there. Now I'm going to push the disk back into the machine. I'm just going to give you a demonstration how to run it alongside, but I'm not going to actually install it on my machine. But this will show you how to do it. I just pop the disk in, give it a couple seconds. The disk will come up as, alright, now you want to run this right here, run Webby exe. You hit that, then you press yes, and here's the options: demo and full installation, and then you have install inside Windows. You can install inside your Windows. This machine has about 10 operating systems on it, so I'm just going to give you an example. Its default in gigs is 17 gigabytes. The highest it can go is 30 gigs, and that's it if you install it alongside, or you can pick 3 gigs minimum. Well, you could leave it at 17 if you want, depending on how much you want to use it. If you want to get the full effect, use 30 gigs. Desktop environment, Ubuntu. Now you pick a name, a username. Well, your C drive up here, I'm sorry, installation drive would be your C drive. That's the partition of this Windows 7 I'm using right now. So you just type in, leave owner, or you can put your name right here. You can backspace and type in a new name, but owner is good. And you can put a simple password, whatever password you want, 1 2 3 4 5 or something like that, and then press install. Then the machine will boot down, and it'll eject the disk, and next time you boot up the machine, the installation will finish the way and everything. Or you could just run it as a live operating system. I'm going to cancel out. You set your CD-ROM as the first bootable device in the BIOS, and you can run Ubuntu, try Ubuntu as a live image disk, and you can surf the net without a hard drive in your machine. Okay, this concludes an operating system for free from Linux. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoy.